Hi, boys and girls. We're on number 3 today, so take out set number 2 of your numbers worksheet. We are talking about the number 4 today. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 wagons. 4, F-O-U-R, is the number word. So we use a short line down, and this short line down goes from the top line down to the middle line. Now to make the 4, we start at the top line. We make a short line down to the middle line, and then we do easy across line on the middle line. We pick up our fingers, and we go to the top line, and we make a tall line down to the writing line. Again, we start at the top line, we make a short line down, and easy across on the middle line. And then we pick up our fingers, and we go tall line down from the top line to the writing line. That is how you make a number 4. So on the first line, you're going to make a short line down, starting at the top line to the middle line. Then you're going to make a number 4, starting at the top line, short line down to the middle line, easy across, pick up, and then go top line to the writing line, tall line down. So on these ones, you're going to practice number 4. On the middle line, you're going to practice number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Again, just a reminder, number 1, you start at the top line and you make a tall line down to the writing line. Number 2, you start at 10 o'clock and you make a rainbow curve and then down the steps and easy across. And to number 3, you start at 10 o'clock, you make a rainbow curve and go into the writing line, middle line, and then do it again. Good luck. Thank you. On this page, you are going to be counting how many objects in each box and writing the number on the line. Now, we're going to be looking for 1, 2, 3, or 4 objects. Happy counting.